Hey there, so I grabbed this dog seat cover for my SUV and I just took it out of the package and wanted to show you some things I really like about it. I have actually owned a couple of these. I did get the black color. It's pretty straightforward. This is waterproof. This one actually has the hard bottom inside of it. Some you have to put them in yourself, but this one already came that way. Something I really like about this one is it's got a nice big pocket that has a Velcro. So you can put like a water bottle in here. You can put dog bags. You can put treats, whatever you want to. And then it's got a Velcro so they can't get in it. Something else I really love that I've never seen on another car seat protector is this is made out of like a really thick rubber versus just like that fabric mesh. So this feels nice and heavy duty. You can obviously completely open this up with the zipper. All their zippers glide really well too, so those are nice. But yeah, I never felt like a rubber mesh here. Usually they are fabric and they rip really easy. So that is a huge plus for me. And then on this side, there is another pocket. This is an open pocket, so you could throw balls in there, whatever. But it's also got a really nice, soft, stretchy fabric that's breathable. Comes with the adjustable straps that you would put for the window area. This is so you can tuck it in between the seat cushions, which makes this extra strong. The bottom area here has this no slip grip. This way it stays nice and firm on your car seats. So as you can see, this one has a lot of good features. And like I said, all of the zippers work really well. They're heavy duty. They glide really smooth. So let's go put this in my SUV so you can see it all installed. Okay, here I have it all installed. It's very simple. These go around each headrest. And then of course you have your pockets here and then this middle area that you can open up. It's really nice, waterproof, very comfortable. Up, up. Good boy. You like it? Like I said, this can hold up to 500 pounds. Just like that. He can see out and have access to the windows. So if you're looking for a really good seat protector, I recommend this one. So I hope this video has helped.